song go now here, double toilet to my own guy, Elo, when they work for DDP for Lagos.
Elo Bay.
Elo. Now, Elo song with that. Very nice. As I heard that today, I say, oh my God, no. We have to play this song. We have to play this song. Double toilet to Elo. And also, now welcome on top of the show. Today. For obvious reasons.
Are you with me?
I am with you. For obvious reasons, are you with me? Now, before we start the show, we go break. When we come back, we go discussion.
I go to wonder why these people they go break anyhow.
Now your break?
I don't know.
Should be our break.
I don't know.
If the break not like you, off your TV. Now our break. When we want break, now we go break. So we want break now. One break now.
When they come back.
When they come back.
Yes.
Double toilet to our DJ, the best DJ in the world as far as I'm concerned,
yes.
DJ Easy Bass.
Take it to the bank and cash it.
They go beat you. Now welcome back on the live show. My name is Lady. So, where I go this evening, before I rush come.
Where you go?
I've been going to recording somewhere. Through traffic on the Ayo Park motor, enter Keke Marwa, they come. So the Keke Marwa been parked for road.
Where your motor?
Leave matter for Matthias. So, as the Keke Marwa just parked for road, now I just cross. Now you tell the Keke, they go, I say Keke, VI. He say, where for VI? I say, Wazobia. So, because let's go, I can't sit down. Then the guy where they follow and gist him, Aboki guy, because do with this, I say, Aboki, they watch TV. Okay. So that Aboki double toilet to you, I don't know your name. But double toilet to you, I see you. Even if the day that cannot see your face, I see you. You know yourself. Double toilet to you.
For us, next time.
Yeah, for asking name, I be. And if I can't collect money for my hand.
Before
I just say, you not pay.
who they do it?
Who they do it?
They don't give you money.
The guy, I think I want you on the 1K. The guy could say, no, don't bother. The guy say, thank you.
Thanks a ton.
Thanks a bunch. Anyway, you know, say, we they talk them. Say, Oyibo people, some of them not well. But we can't check them. They not well in where they're not well.
Yes.
Not be their fault.
Actually, you self think them.
Think them.
Make the do analyze and you self follow.
Not be their fault. You see, if you wait there where you did now, stand up in the morning. You go wake up for like 4 o'clock in the morning. You they come VI. You go wake up in the morning. Yeah, about 4 say something.
Meanwhile, you deliver Ajambadi.
Ajambadi or Akute. Yeah, all these companies so they don't pursue you come from Lagos. Because you see, you need the funny part. Say you go there. You first say for Sulere. You can say, no, let me move. From Sulere, come go Ikeja. Ikeja can say no. Make I go Ojodu Beggar.
Because they work. Your office near there. Tomorrow you get another
Ojodu Beggar. You come go Ojodu Beggar. From Ojodu Beggar, you don't they go Mowe. From Mowe, now so you don't they go. They go your village.
You know what? You pass to the town.
Until you reach your village. You don't say don't go your village finish. Anyway, you see, when you see all those things, you wake up in the morning, rush, come VI, come do your work. When you don't tire. You don't reach us again like 11 o'clock for night. You don't wonder this kind of life, safe. Exactly. You all chop, just sleep. You see, everything you hard, one kind. But for Yibo world, nothing hard for them.
First of all, the mattress where you they sleep, it they envelope you like this.
You understand? Their mattress, they hug them.
Yes.
Yeah, then why when they sleep, then they dream good dream.
Yes.
Their winch, you know, they press people. Now make their winch. The only thing with their winch they go do, take fine technology things.
That's all.
Good, do fine motor.
They
our winch hits the
time.
kill here. Mosquito they chop our winch. Now make our winch, they press people die. You understand? So their winch there, everything they move.
Everything they okay. You
their meeting, what they do? They not they kill themselves.
They take time.
They take time.
Drink some wine
Evil spirit for church there. If you want to cast them out, pastors not they stress.
They just say, hey, you, come out.
But you go see where pastor go tell evil spirit. Yo, evil spirit.
I see you.
I see you.
Yeah.
Respect you. I command you.
I'm going to close my eyes right now.
No, you don't even command them. I tell you, yo, evil spirit, what's your name? Evil spirit go say, Harlebeg, Major. Say, yo, evil spirit, please leave. Evil go say, yo man, I got you, holla back. Evil spirit go. You understand? They are evil spirit. You know, say they do crusade for their. They don't do crusade now.
But not true. They don't do crusade.
They don't do crusade. Why you think I'm?
Instead, they will come here, come do our crusade.
Instead, they go come here, come do the crusade.
Yes.
Because they know our evil spirit. Stop them.
Yes.
Our evil spirit, they drink aburachia, monkey tail. Very strong evil spirit. When they drink, they chop apple. You understand? So to cast our evil spirit out, you go need commandant. I command you.
Yes.
Baba,
You go shake them. They be like lights for head. You know, if you won't command lights.
Command. For instance, example, not be say evil spirit. Say they act evil spirit. Command.
Ha! Leave this place. Oh, leave this place. Are you listening to me? Leave this place right now.
You don't finish. Talk to me where?
Oh, prayer
That's how
warriors
evil
when
spirit
they
they do. Talk to because if you don't respect them.
Meanwhile, you don't they sweat, they
Now,
go far. You don't
what
they
they
shout
come make
nothing.
me they talk this thing? Light today for Bodo Ibo. Work today.
You wake up in the morning, milk and egg. There you are, the morning.
So
Newspaper self.
Their dog self. Now the dog they go carry milk for you. Now the dog they go bring newspaper for you. Say woo woo.
The cats know they come out their parlor.
Then why you go see Garfield? They fat up and down. You understand? Now ain't go make. They don't get what they worry them for that country. They don't finish contest for young girls. Finish contest for men. Finish contest for fat women.
Everything.
Now goat. They do beauty contest for.
They come and say,
See
no,
beauty
we are
contest
quite
of
bored.
goat. See beauty contest of goat.
I almost talk say na India. Because na them. But this
Now this goat now win the beauty contest.
Now see in cloth. Which cloth your goat wear? See Anna.
What's it concern? Not be to kill and chop.
No, they will say if they want to present this goat, we want to present Miss Goatee. You see how well? Please show the picture again. You
Show
see
that picture again.
She's wearing drape-colored silk drape-colored green. Oh my God, isn't it so pretty? Isn't
See
she
people
so
gather
pretty?
around them.
Can we hear a hoo-ha for her?
Hey, baby.
She's
See the goat they smile self.
Yes, she's gonna mew right now.
So maybe as the goat will go carry the mic and show give him. So goat, what do you have to say? Meh.
I know what you say.
Meaning say, holla back,
Yes.
holla back.
There's no problem with
There's
the
no
wall.
problem in the world.
Come try here now.
That goat,
Oh.
if he says that they do, try for Nigeria here.
Now for next.
The night before the day for the contest, all the now born I go see for ground. Oh, I beg go watch the new song of Flavor, new video of Flavor now. But now, when we come back, our guest go down sit down for the top of the show. What nonsense!
I want to see.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.